Today we got a video from Police Release, and the title of the video is entitled "Girlfriend Loses It When Police Don't Take Her Side."
I explained your options of what I can and cannot do. I asked you to be an adult. You chose not to be.
On February 23, 2025, officers responded to a domestic dispute call from a woman known for repeatedly making false reports about her boyfriend when she doesn't get her way.
The door is open, sir. Is it okay to come in? Sergeant Smith, Akron Police.
Will you come in?
All right. Yeah, we got a call. Somebody with a knife.
Check his arms because he just grabbed a knife. I told him he got to go. That's what it is.
Sir.
Well, I mean, first things first. Like, is everybody okay? Like,
yeah, I'm good. He's. I'm
no,
okay.
But I'm not.
Do we need EMS right now?
No, we don't.
Okay. I'm gonna talk to her. What happened tonight?
What happened?
Yeah.
Okay, so basically, I'm not gonna sit here and waste your time with the long story. Long story short, he said something that was rude to me, and I told him that was highly unnecessary. That was the first strike for real, because he's really been doing a lot of shit. He's 20. He want to get married. He want to do all this rambunctious shit. But when it come down to being a grown up and having grown up conversations, he doesn't want to do that. So I closed his laptop, and before I knew it, he hauled off and threw me across the bed and slammed me on my head and punched me. I got bruises on me, just all types of shit. So I'm like, there's no way you just put your hands on me. Now, normally, I would have just defended myself, but I'm not about to keep doing that. I'm not about to keep fighting you. You can just go. So I caught y'all. Now, did he get punched in the process of that? Yeah, he did, because he was throwing shit around my house, and you're not about to up my house.
What do you think would be a good plan tonight?
He gotta go. He has to go. He can't be here. I don't want to look at him. Like, so putting your hands on me is crossing the line.
So I know that might be plan A. What would plan B be? Because, I mean, if he stays here, he's allowed to be here. I can't force him to go. Is there separate rooms you guys just hang in, and with the rising sun tomorrow, take a fresh new approach on the new day? You understand that I can't force him up out of here just like I can't force you?
Well, my name is on the lease. His isn't. So if we wouldn't take it there, my paperwork, my mails that come here say city. And he already was banned, and I could pull that up too if we got to take it there. I could really sit here and go through the papers all night and talk about how he's banned, so y'all would actually kind of have to, because he's banned.
One, I can't take action on any of that, and two, you're gonna get yourself in trouble if you want to go down that road.
I know, but they already told me that I could evict him the last time I called y'all. So
that proves my point that I can't force him out of here. Well, unless he wants to go on his own, I'm not forcing it. I can't force it. I did.
Like, I'm not his caregiver, and I don't have to let him be here if I don't feel safe.
All right, I'm taking off. Is there anything you need?
Nope, but other than him to leave.
All righty, well, like I already explained to you, I can't force him to leave.
Okay, well, I'm gonna be calling y'all again.
So he's gonna, no, we're not here to
No, I'm
babysit
telling y'all, I'm telling you. I'm telling you what I'm gonna do.
You're not a child, I'm not here to babysit
Okay,
you,
it's not about being a child, it's about having a right to peace. A right to peace. That's my free right. Y'all supposed to protect and serve. I'm telling y'all, I feel unsafe, and
I'm not your bouncer though. I can't just kick people out of here.
But you said protect and serve. Ain't y'all supposed to protect and serve?
I'm not here to
fix. That what you planned for?
I'm not here to fix your bad choices. You understand that?
It's not my bad choices.
Yes,
it's a person who was homeless.
You've allowed him to live here.
Okay, well, he has to go. I'm telling you.
No. This is reaping what you sow.
Exactly what's gonna happen.
This is being an adult.
Get out. Go. Why don't you go to your friend's house? I want you to leave. I don't want you here. You're not going to get a peaceful night. We're not going to sleep. It's not none of that. I'm telling you right now, you're getting out, and I'm not playing.
No, you're just upset because you're not getting your way.
No, I'm not upset. I'm going to get my way.
I'm not giving you what you want.
Or somebody else do it, I'm going to get my way. Because this is my home. This don't belong to neither one of y'all. So either you're going to do it or the next person's going to do it.
I've been here 5 minutes. I don't want to be around her. Why are you still here, man?
You just don't want to.
Because I actually want better.
The last time they got put
She
out.
don't see that.
It don't take all that.
But she didn't tell you how she bit my neck. She said anything about that.
No. I'm not letting up on that. I don't.
I got a whole group.
Yeah, it's a little bit of redness.
When you're on top of me. You're on top of me,
I didn't say nothing
though.
for a reason.
He's a man.
Why are you shouting at me?
Because you're sitting here and, like, entertaining the bullshit, and y'all both men. Y'all both have
We're
I have a whole
talking quite calmly. Well, I'm gonna get on out of here.
Hey, nobody gave no surprise.
Try to have a better evening.
Well, I like that officer, you know, clearly he doesn't have enough to say anything about maybe the DV or anything like that. You know what I'm saying? So he ain't got enough for that. So it's just he say, she say, and you can't kick him out. You know, he stay there. So, and by the looks of it, just by by both of their attitudes, I mean, it would make me to believe that maybe she is the aggressor, because that guy, even when she was telling her story or whatever, he was in the living room, or I mean in the kitchen, as calm as could be, you know, just by talking to, you know, it seemed like, you know, probably gonna get another call back, and she might end up going to jail.
Officers returned 10 minutes later after hearing a commotion in the apartment.
Also, they didn't call. They just heard the noise and came.
He needs to go. He needs to go.
Look what she just did.
Yeah, I did. Because you won't get out. He keeps grabbing me. He keeps grabbing me.
She keeps
grabbing
grabbing
me. That's why I told you have to remove him. You have to.
She bit me because I wanted to go in the bathroom and close the door. She proceeded to grab my stuff. I grabbed it
want
back.
him out
She started
tonight.
pulling me.
I want him out.
I tried to remove myself.
Nah, she
and
gotta
this
go.
is what I got.
I want him out.
Hands behind your back.
What?
Hands behind your back.
Can you
For
take
what?
IDE number?
For biting him.
No,
DV.
he literally grabbed me.
Hands behind your back.
No, he grabbed me.
Listen,
He grabbed me.
I got 6 more officers coming.
He grabbed me.
I have 3 more cruisers.
No, I'm not mentally. No. Are you gonna really do this? What I just wanted you to be. I just asked you to leave. I just asked you to leave. I just for him to leave. You stop. I just asked for him to leave. He literally grabbed me. I got bruises on my whole body. I will show you.
Show me the bruises.
Okay, I will.
You couldn't show me anything earlier.
I did it because I didn't want him to go to jail, but I wanted him to leave. Get out.
What happened right now?
He literally, he's locking the door in the bathroom. Well, I went to the bathroom. I'm in there talking to my cousin. He's grabbing me up. He keeps choking me. You can see it. Literally, I can turn the light on. I have bruises all over my body. Like, literally,
Where's he choking you?
bruises all over my body.
Where is he choking you?
He just had me in a chokehold.
Pull your pants up.
He gonna try to take me to jail because I want somebody at my house. I want him at my house. Stop! I want him at my house. Why are you arresting me? Why are you arresting me?
Hands behind your back.
Wait, stop! See,
Please don't.
why would you do this to me? I just wanted you to leave. Why am I being arrested? Wait, you gotta explain this to me. Why am I being arrested? Don't let me be tortured, God, please. Can you stop, please? Why am I being arrested? You haven't told me nothing. You haven't.
Violence.
Because, no, it's not me. I'm asking you to
Well,
leave.
he didn't bite his own
I'm
back.
asking, wait, stop, hold on. I'm asking, Devontae, why would you do this to me? I literally
I'm trying to double lock you.
Wait, hold on, stop, hold on, wait. No, wait, I got my kids.
Stop, we're past
Stop, I got my kids. I got my kids. Wait, why am I? Oh my God. Oh my God.
Is
Oh
what
my
it is.
God, why would you just... No, I didn't do it. I have bruises. Can y'all look at my bruises? Can y'all please look at my bruises? Can y'all please look at my bruises? Can y'all please look at my...
Come on.
Devontae, why would you do this to me? Why would you just leave? Wait, can y'all stop? I need to breathe.
Fresh air outside.
She do got heart problems.
Please, wait, stop. I need to breathe. Please, stop.
Quit yelling.
Oh my God,
Quit
I'm
yelling.
Stop. Please, can we just... I'll just let him... Wait, stop. Wait, can I just talk to you for a second? Wait. No, can you stop? Wait, no, can you let me explain. Can you...
Imagine being the neighbors, man. Imagine being the neighbors and having to hear her mouth. I mean, they probably go at it all the time. And I'm not saying that he's innocent or anything like that, but in this situation right here, I mean, she's just a hot mess, man. Why would you? She keeps yelling, why would you do this to me, Javon, or whatever his name is? Why would you do this to me? You bit him. Like, what? You did this to yourself. What part don't you understand? Like, what? Come on, man. You got to take some accountability for your actions. I could tell by just the two of them, obviously they're not meant for each other, but she's aggressive. You could tell she's aggressive, like off the rip. Like you could see it. You could see it. You could hear it. Do they probably be, hitting each other? Yeah, probably. But man, she is a headache. Like the cop said before, he said, man, I've been here 5 minutes and I don't want to be around her. Why are you still here? Duh.
Choking me. I have bruises and everything to prove it. Can you please wait? Stop. God, why? Why? What did I do? Can I talk to you for a minute? Wait, can I talk to you? Can I just talk to you? Can I please talk to you?
Talk to him from
Can
inside
I
the car.
please talk to you? Okay, I will let him stay. Please, don't take me to
We're
jail.
past that.
No, please.
No, you wanted to run your mouth.
No,
when I was here. I was here 5 minutes ago,
I didn't.
and you wanted what you wanted. I tried to advise you the best I could, but you wanted something else.
Can you please just let me
And
explain?
when you took it down a road where you tied our hands, you're going to jail for domestic violence.
No, can you talk to me?
put your hands
Please,
on him.
wait.
You bit his back.
I defended myself.
We
I
are
swear to
done.
God.
Now we are done tonight.
Can you wait?
Y'all had a choice.
Please,
Now
listen,
you are done.
I promise to God, I won't. Y'all can hold my hands. I just want to talk to him. Just let me talk to him,
Swing your
please.
feet up.
Please, officer, can I just talk to you? No, you. Please.
I was already here. We talked.
Okay, can you just listen?
I talked to you in a very calm manner. I explained everything. I explained your options of what I can and cannot do. I asked you to be an adult. You chose not to be.
Please, can you just wait? Can I
When
wait?
you put your teeth on him and bit down
No, listen.
to where a
because he was
dentist could
choking me.
identify
He
those
was
teeth
choking
marks.
Me, I swear to God. Can you let me explain, please? Please.
Explain what?
Please. I'm not
Explain
moving.
how
Nothing.
your teeth clamped down on his back.
I'm not gonna. I've got my handcuffs. Can y'all
Have a
just
seat.
talk to me? My pants is down.
We'll pull him up. Have a seat.
Okay. I will let him stay. I'm sorry, and I was wrong. I was furious because
We're past that.
Can you just listen to me, please?
I know he's going to stay.
Can you please just listen to me?
Well, like I said, you called me over here to try and get your way.
No, it's not my way.
Now you're getting the state of Ohio's way.
I just wanted it to be peaceful. Can we please just talk about this, please? Please don't take me to jail. Can we please talk about it, please?
You're going to jail. Sydney,
I can't.
Sydney, I want you to take a deep breath and understand this. You are going to jail. I'm asking you nicely.
Please.
You are wearing on my patience.
I'm
I am
sorry.
asking
I'm
you
sorry.
so nicely.
Okay. I'm sitting
Sydney,
down.
put your feet in.
I
Put
just wanna
your
talk
feet
about it.
in, please.
Tell them the truth. Tell them, Javante. Tell them we were fighting, both of us. Please. Can you roll the window down? I can't breathe.
You're going to go with this officer right here. He's got a little bit more comfortable vehicle. This is what it is. I did not want this.
I don't want this either.
Then that decision should have came 10 minutes ago when I left the first time.
The woman was charged with domestic battery.
Yeah, she's sitting over there talking about, look, I will let him stay. No shit. You ain't got no choice. He lives there. He lives there. He's gonna stay. That's his right. And like I said, do I believe that they were both hitting on each other? I do believe that. But his marks are fresh and visible. And with your attitude, you loud, you this, you that. One officer has to make a decision who was the aggressor, and based off those circumstances, he's gonna go with her. Point blank, period. Keep your hands to yourself, both of y'all. But damn, shoot, he got bit. Oh my God, carnivore activity. Anyway, let me know how well you think the officers did. I'm giving him 5 out of 5. Okay, he didn't want to have to lock him up, but you can't just keep coming back there every night, you know, or you know, multiple times a night. So it is what it is. 5 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.